Get ready for a game changer in the world of robotics and AI development. The Nvidia Jetson AGX Thor developer kit has arrived, and it's causing quite a stir. With a price tag of $3,499, this powerful platform is designed to revolutionize the way developers approach their projects. At the heart of the Jetson AGX Thor lies the impressive Jetson T5000 module, built on the Blackwell architecture. This module packs a punch with its 2,560 CUDA cores, 96 tensor cores, and a 14-core ARM Neoverse CPU. Imagine having all that processing power at your fingertips. But here's where it gets even more exciting. The kit boasts an incredible 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory, providing over 270 gigabytes per second of bandwidth. That's like having a super fast highway for your data to travel on. And let's not forget about the 1 terabyte of onboard storage, ensuring you have ample space for all your development needs. In terms of connectivity, the Jetson AGX Thor covers all bases. From USB-C and USB-A to HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, Gigabit Ethernet, and even a 100 Gigabit E port, this kit is future-proofed and ready for any task. Early reviews are raving about the kit's performance. Despite its higher price compared to the Jetson Orin, reviewers agree that the Thor is a force to be reckoned with. Hot Hardware's testing revealed that the Thor is a powerhouse, even when compared to other Blackwell hardware. And when it comes to large language models, the Jetson truly shines, as highlighted by Hot Hardware. LLMs are one area where the Jetson excels, and it needs to, since humanoid robots are expected to mix language with visual inputs. Serve the Home's review further emphasizes the Thor's impressive performance, noting that it lives up to Nvidia's claims. The kit's CPU multi-threaded performance was comparable to an AMD Ryzen AI 7 350 or Mac Mini M4, which is impressive given its GPU-focused design. In benchmark testing, the Thor consistently outperformed the Orin across all models. Smaller workloads like Qwen 2.5 VL7B and Llama 3.1 8B saw modest gains, with the Thor being around 1.3 times faster. But when it came to more demanding models like DeepSeek R1 7B, the Thor really showed its strength, achieving speeds up to 1.5 times faster. And the most impressive difference was seen with Qwen 3 32B inference, where the Thor nearly reached 5 times the performance of the Orin. While the power draw may be a consideration for battery-powered systems, Serve the Home concludes that the Thor offers the compute power and memory capacity needed for advanced robotics. It even identified the included 1 terabyte SSD as a WD SanDisk SN5000S, adding to its overall appeal. Both reviews praise the Jetson AGX Thor as a significant step forward for edge AI and robotics projects. With its blend of compute power, memory capacity, and developer tools, the Thor is a developer's dream come true. And the best part? It's only going to get better with time as Nvidia continues to refine and update its software stack with additional edge AI capabilities. So, if you're in the market for a powerful development kit that will take your robotics and AI projects to the next level, the Nvidia Jetson AGX Thor developer kit is an absolute must-have. As Serve the Home predicts, it's going to sell like hotcakes. And this is the part most people miss. The potential for this kit to shape the future of robotics and AI is immense. With its capabilities, the Thor could be the key to unlocking new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. What do you think? Is the Jetson AGX Thor the future of robotics development? Let us know in the comments below.